adding guns, ghosts and a new AI behaviour system to my VR speedrunning game. Hey, I'm Muddy Wolf, and in this devlog I'm going to show you the new features I've added to my game. Firstly, let's talk about the latest ghost model upgrade and its new AI behaviour system. So with the power of AI generation, I drew and generated a new ghost model that looks way scarier and cooler than the last. I used a new cool tool called Kadim 3D that turns your sketches into fully usable 3D models in minutes. I made a whole video about the tool on my channel. You can go and check it out with the link in the description if you want to know more. So on top of adding a new 3D model to my game, we upgraded the AI behavior system on our ghost. The ghosts no longer stop after seeing you and end the game. Instead, once the ghost spots you, he'll start chasing the player until he is defeated. If the ghost reaches the player, you'll lose the game and have to restart the level. I'm hoping in the future to add more attack types like ranged attacks to add more variation to enemies in the future. On top of the AI system, we added health to our enemies so you can now shoot them before they end your run. Oh, and talking about shooting, I've added a gun system to the game. Currently, there's only one gun, the plasma pistol, but I plan on adding more weapons to the game in the future. The pistol is pretty awesome for now. As you fire it, it'll leave a nice bullet trail, and on impact it'll explode and leave a little particle effect in its wake. So the menu area in our game is pretty boring, so I decided to add a ghost boxing bag so you can actually go and get payback when the ghost has beat you one too many times. I also added the plasma gun to the menu area as well, so you can actually try it out before hopping into a game and shooting up the ghosts for real. Another change is we finally added timers and level selection to the game. You can now select which level you want to play and actually try to beat your fastest times like a true speedrunning game. Woo! 360 headshot, baby! Last on the changes for this devlog, I once again used AI to generate a new key model for our game. I love the look of the skeleton keys and I thought this one was amazing. Don't forget to check out the AI video I created, the link will still be down below. I've also changed the key's behaviour, so you no longer have to use the grab key in VR on your controller to actually obtain the key. Instead, you can just run straight into it to pick it up. I think this will really help with the speed running of the game, so you don't actually have to slow down to grab the key. So that's it for the latest changes in this devlog. But what's next? I really want to get around to actually adding sounds to my game. It's a bit dull without the sounds. I added music in the background so it wasn't dead silent, but the game is lacking depth, and I really think adding various sounds will improve this, especially when you shoot the gun. Sounds coming from the ghosts. I even want to add some small voice lines to the ghosts, but some funny quirky ones like,
"Hey, I'm a ghost.
Ooh, I'm a ghost.
Humans stink.
Living's for the weak." Which I thought would be really funny if you were just in the game and just heard a ghost shouting off some random sounds like that. Before I release the actual first demo of the game, I want to add in a new level that features the first boss. Now, we spoke about this before and I haven't actually managed to get around to actually designing the boss yet, but that's the goal for the next week or so. So the plan is create a level, which is pretty awesome, that implements a boss battle, which hopefully adds some more depth to the game. Other things I want to add to the game are more weapons, a mini-map, and potentially some more fun physics-based obstacles. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment down below. If you want to join my community of awesome game devs and coders, check out the Discord link in the description. But for now, I'll see you in the next video. Peace